BMW M4 GT3 EVO with 747 pieses, set number 42226. And here's the game code. I finished the first bag, and so far we have the working pistons. There are 6 pistons in there, and we have working steering. So here is the steering. And the second bag is done. So we've got steering working from the top now. We've added the differential. For a TECHNIC set, there are a lot of brick pieces. The building experience for this TECHNIC car is quite unique. There are a lot of system bricks in there, and just the way that the door is put together, after parts are connected, you then swing them into place to finish a curved look there. And we've got all of the back bumper detail with brick pieces, well shaped. There's some nice part usage. We've got the seats, and that gives it that inset. You get hubcaps in black. So the doors do open, and you can see a little bit of a clip there to hold it. There is surprisingly a lot of empty space, so you can see everything working. So there is the differential, and you can see the steering. It is a really sturdy build, so everything stays together. There's no bending, no parts falling off. So for comparison, here's the Ferrari, and it is not as sturdy. So parts bend everywhere. Kind of just doesn't stay in place, and then parts easily snap off. It is just as sturdy as the BMW. No parts bend or move, snap off. So overall, I am impressed with the look, the design. I just wish they had one set of colors, and I'm really impressed with how smooth it is. They've really fixed the drive. All right, thank you for watching.